Hey you guys, it's your boy Gamer back in a video, and today I am gonna show you guys how to make a 3D intro. Very easy and for free, no cost. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first we want to go open a browser. Any browser, Microsoft Edge would work, or anyone. I'm opening Chrome here. So we want to search Panzoid. Okay, you want to search Panzoid. Go to the website. We will go to the ClickMaker. Okay, so this is how it is right now, but you can see we have some templates, or you can put your own text, but we won't. We will put some, yeah, so we'll put template. More creations. Over here you have all the creations. You can see more creations. Will take you over here. We'll go top. All are free, no problem. So we want to view. Let's see how does this look. And the intro that I'm going to show you guys will not be in my channel. I won't use it, but I'm just showing you guys how it would be able to, how you would be able to make it. So we'll just go through some templates and see if any just interests us. I think this one will be pretty good. It's a 2D intro. I'm here for 3D. Let's go for this one, okay? Yeah. So let's just open in ClickMaker. It's loading it in. So here it is how it will be. Then you click on the eye. So this is how it will look. So you'll just go here. It's written name, but we wanna like go into this objects, then text. We want these are all layers, so we'll just go TD Gamer 2.0. Then you want to do the same thing with every text. Let's go ahead, write and all. So just then you write so many of these because it makes it a 3D. These are all layers of a text, so it makes it 3D. So I'll just go ahead. It's just a makeshift intro, okay? Now you will just see the size of the font. I will do it 15. You want to do that with everyone, so 15, and this will be 15. And then this will also be 15. Okay, so see, now if we view the intro, so it fits in really nicely, right? So you can always like let me just move. So you can cut this green part in your video editor that you use, okay? So now after that, you can like always like you can always go into some effects, and you can add some whereas outdoor environments and stuff, scenes, and you can also go add some effects, but I won't. You can also do camera tracking and stuff like that, but after you're done with that, mostly that's what you want for beginners. So you can also change the music. So I will just download it. Okay, so I will go to mode extreme quality. It will be kind of slow, but don't worry about that. It's gonna do it in a MKV. So So it's rendering. So I will just see you guys after it's rendered. So guys, I went ahead and made it to good quality because it was taking a lot of time to render, and it's just for a tutorial, so it will work for that, okay? But I will prefer you guys to render it on the extreme quality if you can. It will take some time, but it will give you nice results, okay guys? So it has decreased 1 minute, so just let me just see you after this render. So guys, after it is rendered, you want to go click download your video. It's gonna take you to a new window. So download is starting. So let's see over here, the download is started. It has downloaded, I suppose. So let me just open it. So this is the same. It's a nice quality. There's no problem with it. It's pretty good actually. Okay. So guys, I think this wraps up the whole video, and if you want to ask any questions, just comment down below in the comment box and I will surely read it. And if you want to see any information, and the link is also given for the website in the description below. So thanks for watching, subscribe, turn notification, bye, peace out.